Yo guys, what is up? Rocky Resale here. I wanted to pick up the main camera today. We are headed right now to pick up a U-Haul van. This weekend we did our biggest whatnot stream yet. We did over 230 orders, so we definitely need a U-Haul for that. I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're going to pick up the U-Haul right now, and then it's gonna be so much work getting these boxes from my office to the post office. So actually already got all the packages packed up. We packed up Saturday and Sunday, worked literally around the clock those 2 days. This Monday we're gonna drop all those packages off. Ended up doing the stream on Friday night, didn't finish until like 10 o'clock at night. We're gonna get these packages shipped off and then get back to work. We got a lot of work to do this week, and I'm gonna honestly try to get a Chrome Hearts trip in, but we'll see. So we got the keys. This is what we ended up getting. Just a nice little cargo van, something to fit all the shoes in. I actually need to get a van like this. I've been wanting a van like this for a while, just used for like sneaker cons and stuff, but haven't pulled the trigger or anything yet, but we're gonna get this started up, get it warmed up. All right, we're about to get this van going. We're a couple miles from the office. We're gonna go get everything loaded up and taken to the post office. This is just a Monday in the life of a sneaker reseller with 230 orders. Guys, I just got to the showroom and it is absolutely insane seeing the progress we've made just in the last couple years. I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you what 230 orders looks like. This is gonna be a lot of work. We literally had to rent a U-Haul to get all this stuff to the post office, but here it is. Guys, that is what 230 orders looks like. That's over 130 packages going out to the post office. These bigger boxes, this is clients that bought multiple items. We got to get all these orders loaded up and taken to the post office. This is probably going to take at least an hour or two, and I'm going to be sweating. I definitely don't have to go to the gym today. Thank you so much for the support. I'm going to show you what the van looks like when it's empty and when it's filled up. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. So here's what the van looks like before we have anything loaded up in it. Just got all the packages moved. As you can see, you can finally see some of the displays now. This whole mound of boxes is gone. We just got to carry out this box, and now I'm going to show you guys how full this U-Haul is. Remember I showed you the video before of it being completely empty? Now I want to show you what it looks like full. And then guys, this is what it looks like to have 230 orders in a U-Haul van. First time we've ever had to get a U-Haul to take orders to the post office, but now we gotta go drop these off and continue our Monday. Just got done dropping off everything at the post office. Man, that was absolutely insane. It is 10:30 now. I picked up the U-Haul at 8:30, so we're going to take the U-Haul back now, and then we're going to get to my showroom. We got a bunch more work to get done for the day, but guys, that's all for today. I just want to bring you guys along for a 230 order drop off. I'm super blessed and super thankful for everybody that shopped with me this weekend. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.